And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, a good Tuesday morning. Temperatures are in the lower 70s, upper 60s there in Newton, Jasper County. Rensselaer, good morning, 68, 70 Fowler, Attica, 72 here in Lafayette, 73 in Kokomo and Peru. There is Tropical Depression Beryl as it makes its way into Arkansas now. It is weakening, but we are going to be seeing the rain, the thunderstorms move up the cone here into right over our area, central Indiana, over the next 24 hours. But notice the rain is reaching from Arkansas all the way up towards central Indiana right now. Giving a closer look here, seeing just some scattering of light rain, but I want to focus kind of on that red line. That's kind of where the models or the National Hurricane Center is placing where the center of the low pressure. It looks like it'll move right over Lafayette, over Logansport, Peru. So if you have any aches and pains over the next 24 hours, that's why. But we're going to be seeing that low move right over our area. And on the north side, I mentioned this yesterday, that north side of the track is going to be where the heaviest rain will occur. As of this morning, though, just a few light sprinkles may be possible across the entire viewing area. We're mostly cloudy, but the heavier rain picks up later on this morning, as indicated here with Futurecast. We're mostly cloudy. Here comes a steady, just light rain by 9 o'clock, and then moving into the rest of the day. Here's 1 o'clock, and here comes these storms. Some embedded thunder. Severe weather looks very unlikely, but the threat of maybe just a rotating storm, just because of the nature of the tropical system with any of these little isolated pockets, may be possible to give way to a weak, brief tornado. So we'll watch that very closely after about 6 to 8 o'clock this evening. Through the overnight hours, this is 11 p.m., still tracking the potential for maybe a quick spin-up tornado, but then it turns to mainly just steady light rain after midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning. And the area of low pressure you can see really right here over Lafayette. It'll continue to move off to the east. There's Rochester seeing that low pressure, and then this is 7 o'clock this tomorrow morning. It will push to the northeast, and we will clear out by Wednesday afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center has upgraded our southeastern side portions of Lafayette, Crawfordsville, Frankfort, Kokomo underneath that level 1 marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for that brief, weak tornado. Could see some strong wind gusts tomorrow morning as well, up to 30 to 40 plus miles per hour wind gusts. And of course, ponding and flooding could be in some areas as well. So as far as rainfall totals go, our southeastern side of the viewing area may only see about a half to about an inch and a half of rain, while if you go northwest of Lafayette, 2 to areas 3+ inches of rain could be possible. So some decent rain heading our way, and that's why we're seeing an aerial flood watch. And I get a lot of questions about this. That's spelled correctly, an aerial flood watch. It just means flooding caused by excessive rainfall kind of all at once, and that's what's happening with this system that's going to barrel right through over the next 24 hours. 75 by lunchtime, and we'll stay in the 70s likely for today. Tomorrow we will see some rain. Very windy conditions in the morning. We'll work up to around 80, upper 70s with more sun by the evening. So your 7 and 10 day outlook, again, we'll be seeing some sun late Wednesday, 83 looking normal here Thursday and Friday with maybe an isolated storm chance in the evening, but it turns very hot and humid as we get toward the weekend. Temperatures don't see that, but the heat indices will certainly be in the mid-90s to near the triple-digit mark here by the end of the weekend, Stacy.
So I know my husband didn't get a chance to mow yesterday before this rain. Did you mow yesterday?
I did not.
You did not either?
No, I did not.
And I don't blame you.
I'll just mow it.
It'll just be extra long, right?
Exactly.
Not a big deal.
Right. But
get the rake out.
Yes, but the umbrella is going to be needed here today, the rest of this afternoon, especially tonight and tomorrow morning. But it won't last all day tomorrow, but today's definitely going to be a cloudy, soggy day.
All right. Thanks, David.
Yeah, of course.
Well, a new